Meteorologist Hemlock City, it is Weather Madness time for this Tuesday. So I know, folks, you want me to come on every single day, but there's just not a lot of talk about. It's just hot, humid, daily thunderstorms out there. We had um, Hurricane Hannah go into Texas. I have to admit, I made fun of the ship model, and it did really well. It actually was the only model that was predicting that thing to become a hurricane when it went in. And sometimes these things will spin up quickly as they head up toward the coastal area. So it really did take off as it went into Texas there and become a hurricane. So pretty amazing. Um, so I bow down to the ship model, and so we'll have to kind of watch, see how it does the rest of the season. Maybe it just had one time it did well. Maybe it does well next time. All right. Anyway, we have a cold front that's starting to come on through, and it has already gone through the Midwest. They're bringing some relief to the heat and humidity. It should make it through the eastern part of the country. It should make it down, probably down about this far. That's about as far as it's going to go before it stops. So folks in the south aren't going to see very much in the way of any relief, but certainly folks north of there are going to see some relief, and we still got some more showers and thunderstorms to deal with. And we have this tropical system out there in the Atlantic that we're going to have to talk about. In fact, it is this mess out here you see that is going to head up this direction over the next several days here. So it could pose a problem for the eastern seaboard. Okay, maybe Florida or somewhere else. So it's kind of one we'd have to watch and see what happens. It's out there. You can see it's pretty spinny out there right now. So it's pretty amazing. You know what I mean? So, oh, jeez. I was looking out the window watching my morning joggers, and one person's going down the street going, it's like, at least they're out there doing it. So I gotta say, good job. All right, you can see the front clearly. So showers and thunderstorms along the front there, even down into Oklahoma, and showers and thunderstorms down here through Mexico. Some of that's left over from Hannah. And let's see here. Where do I want to go next? Severe weather-wise today. Okay. Not much in the way of severe weather. I think they're going to pull this line back a little bit at 8 o'clock, and maybe even a slight risk area down and through here. Won't be surprised. But it doesn't appear to be the most horrific of cold frontal passages. And then tomorrow, they got squiggly lines. Tomorrow we have a risk up here as a second cold front comes on through, produce some thunderstorms as well as out here in the high plains. And then the next day here, a couple here. So really not a whole lot in the way of, and there goes the president of AccuWeather going down the street jogging. Steve Smith. He's the president of AccuWeather now, jogging down the street. So just something fun this morning. All right, where do we want to go next? He's probably gonna kill me. He's gonna go, "You said I'm going down the street." He's a good guy. All right, on our tropical system here later this week, there's going to be a trough coming into the mid part of the country, Mississippi Valley, and you can see that kind of opens the room up for any kind of system to come on up. And the models have that system coming in through the northern Caribbean and then to the Bahamas, and then from there either goes into Florida or heads up the eastern seaboard. That's one set of models. Their set of models have it kind of coming up and sideswiping the eastern seaboard during the course of later on this weekend. So it's out there, and we got to see how it develops. The intensity models. Now, where's our ship model? There's our ship model right there. So the ship model has it as a tropical storm. Okay. Some of these other models bring it up to a Category 1, even a Category 2 hurricane, but it looks like the consensus is probably someplace in the tropical storm category. Okay, a couple down here in the depression one, but they have it as a tropical storm. So it ramps itself up into a tropical storm and then pretty much stays there. Is the consensus of the intensity models right now. So I'm trying to see what happens. The GFS model, here's the cold front coming on through, a little bit nicer weather behind it. A lot of showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it today in the hot weather. I'm telling you one thing, I am ready. I'm ready for the humidity to go down. I just want to open up all the windows and say, come on in. It's actually raining this morning. Here's that secondary front coming in tomorrow with showers and thunderstorms up across the Great Lakes there. Some of those could be heavy thunderstorms. And then we get to Thursday night. There's going to be some severe weather out here. I'm a little worried about that system out there in Oklahoma, Texas. Could be some severe weather. Here's our system down here coming along into the Bahamas. Watch what happens when we get to Sunday. It is, GFS has it over here off Miami. Again, it could be here, it could be out here, it could be heading up this way late in the weekend, early next week. Kind of have to watch it, see what happens, okay? But certainly with this trough coming in, the humidity is going to come right back up again, and we've got a lot of showers and thunderstorms later this week in the weekend time period across the eastern part of the country. But the tropics will be what we'll have to watch. So that is going to be my focus over the next couple of days, other than looking out the window and watching the joggers go down the street. Sorry, just having fun this morning. All right, that's it for now. Meteorologist, Hunter Mark City.